Chosen ones, where you were. Chosen ones, back with another powerful and productive video, right? Great. Remember, slow motion is better than no motion. Oh yes. And remember that slow success builds character and quick success builds ego. Some of you feel like you are being delayed in life. I'm telling you, so far as you are doing something, don't give up upon it. Keep doing it. Keep going the extra mile. It is building character inside of you. And you know the reason why character is very important. Character is what helps you to stay in the blessing that God will bless you with. Character helps you to maintain the blessing. Oh yes. If you don't have character and you get quick success, your character cannot help you to maintain. How many times have you seen people that have been so blessed, but they lose it all? How many times have you seen people that scam others, that fraud others, that use quick and dubious means to make it, but they blow the money, they lose it all? How many times? So many times, right? Great. So whatever you are going through, the process is very much important. It is building character inside of you. And that is why it seems like it's slow. But I tell you, your slow motion is better than no motion. Oh yes. So keep going. I want you to remember again that it takes a longer time to build a huge ship. Yes, right? Than building an ordinary canoe. Oh yeah. So it is because there is greatness inside of you. There is something huge inside of you that God is polishing it, preparing it. And that is why it seems like the process is being delayed. Remember, your delay is not denial. The universe delay is not the universe denial. God's delay is not God's denial. It is certainly going to happen. And when it feels like or seems like your miracle is being delayed, your breakthrough is being delayed, oh, I tell you, prepare for it. You are about to receive a mother of miracles, a cargo of blessings. It will happen for you. So take your time. Follow God's process. All right? Yes. Follow God's process. You see, one of the primary laws of the universe is the law of compensation. Oh yes, you are going to be compensated. Yes, I'm telling you. All right? So don't worry. Everything will pay off. All the effort, the sacrifice, everything is going to pay off. It will astonish you. Just keep going. Trust the process. Trust your own life journey. Stop comparing yourself to other people. Stop comparing your beginning to someone's finishing. Sometimes in life, you see, we pressure ourselves, okay, by, comparing our beginning to someone's finishing. Oh yes, someone has been through it and it's successful, and we want to be successful overnight. You are comparing your beginning to someone's finishing. It's a process. Be in your lane. Follow your process. When it is your turn, you will be blessed with. When it is your turn, I'm telling you, when you show your left hand, God will bless you. Put whatever He has to put inside of it. It will not be a sign of disrespect. I'm telling you, because it is your time. When the time is right, God will make it happen. Keep going, beautiful soul. See you in my next video. I'm out for now. Peace.